Hey guys, today I'm gonna change the clutch sensor. The clutch sensor for Cascadia Freightliner. It's a lot of headache with it. Always is not running well when I try to run my truck. It's keep giving many times to do. I'll try today to replace it. So this is located here. You see this is the connector. This is for the clutch. The clutch is the clutch sensor. It's if you can see it, I don't know. I'll try to show you more when I open these covers for the dashboard, whatever. I mean, here is by the ignition, and this one to make it easy for. I will use the star shape to open these nuts. Here it is T25. So let's just start and then we will see. Okay, after I open this cover, it's easy to see I can't show you from here. The sensor is right there, if you can see it. I'm not sure, but anyway, you follow the cable, you can see how it's easy. So the easiest way, just I open the cover for the ignition. See, I took it out just like this to open this cover, that one which it was here. As soon as you take it, the ignition switch, it will goes out, and then I use my wrench, this one, with 532, this one here, this thing, which is this one. It's way easier than to open more covers in the dash, which is hard. So this one, if you can have one like this, it is flexible, see, and you can take it through the hole from here all the way to open this screw, which is connect the it is located like this way, see, on the sensor. So now I will take the old one, I put the new one. Okay, let's see. Okay, now I replace the sensor. I put the new one, that one, see, and this is the cable to it. Here I will connect it, and then we will see if it's work well. After I reassemble everything, we will run the engine and see. So guys, hopefully this video it's help you to replace it and save money for yourself. If you like the video, just give me like and share it. If you have any question, I will reply to you as soon as I can. Thank you, have a good day.